In this video, I will discuss coffee benefits. Coffee increases cognitive performance, especially when you are rested. When you are tired, coffee is used to alleviate mental and physical fatigue. Coffee is also used to increase physical performance. Some athletes take caffeine pills before a game in order to give their best on the field. Another benefit of coffee is to increase the metabolic rate and thermogenesis, and thus aid in fat loss. Coffee drinkers are reported to have a lower risk of developing Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. This correlation has been criticized as having more to do with poverty than the benefits of coffee. Those who can afford coffee can afford higher quality foods and better health care, and thus reduce their risk of these diseases independent of coffee usage. Some studies have shown protective benefits to the liver. A reduction of gallstone disease progression has also been noted. One interesting finding is coffee can induce the suicide of cancerous cells. It is thus believed to aid both in cancer prevention and treatment. Some specific examples are a reduced risk of oral, esophageal, pharyngeal, breast, and prostate cancer in moderate coffee drinkers. Coffee has also been shown to increase the effectiveness of painkillers and can be used as migraine and headache medication. A 2004 study concluded that coffee consumption is associated with significant increases in inflammation. This is a detrimental effect on the cardiovascular system. While some studies show coffee is negative for the cardiovascular system, others find it is protective. The cutoff point seems to be around 4 cups a day. In other words, if you drink more than 4 cups a day, then coffee is negative. But if you drink 4 or less, then coffee is protective of the cardiovascular system. Again, there is wide variation in the human response to coffee. My opinion is coffee use needs to be tailored based on the individual. This means actually paying attention to your usage pattern, quantity, and how it affects you. I would advise you actually re-examine your relationship with coffee. Many people have a midday energy crash, which they fight off with coffee. This energy crash is actually a natural renewal time. Fighting this midday renewal time is supremely exhausting and taxing to the body. The solution is to simply lay down with your eyes closed for half an hour. This will provide huge health benefits in the long run, and you will find you no longer need coffee in the afternoons. In this video, we have discussed coffee benefits and some of its potential negatives. If you want to learn more interesting things about coffee, then go to damianalexander.com/coffeepdf. If you want to learn more about critical nutritional supplements, life extension, and disease prevention, then subscribe to my YouTube channel at Damian Alexander's Vids. Lastly, discover the easiest and shortest way to double physical and mental energy, strengthen immunity, and restore health by visiting howtochangeyourOwnbatteries.com.